Breaking news. See what Senate replied. The National Assembly Senate replied to the call for the postponement of the 2023 elections. Hello, my wonderful people. We brought you up to speed. That there is a call for President Muhammadu Buhari to postpone or suspend the elections for 2023, and put in an interim government. But guess what? Buhari, because it's not a dictatorship, in quote and unquote, seemingly, government cannot take such decision by himself. He has to go through what we call the National Assembly. And so the National Assembly has said, we are not accepting that. No, you have to wait for the next National Assembly. Don't forget that this is the 9th National Assembly. He said, wait for the 10th National Assembly. For now, there's no postponement. Things must go on. The party must go on. The story must go on. So these are times upon us. These are things going on right now. And we continue to bring you up to speed as the matter unfolds. The constant call, saying that Buhari's administration has failed and we cannot continue like this. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. The Senate, through his spokesman, Bechi Abiola, said Chief Babalola, as a senior legal practitioner, should understand what he's asking for involve constitutional amendment and such take time. He added that Babalola should have made his view known when the 9th Assembly called for input from Nigerians on the ongoing constitutional review at that time. The Senate spokesman stated that it is too late for the current lawmakers to take on such recommendations and therefore urge Babalola to wait till the 10th National Assembly to come on board and present his views to them. Late Nigeria reports Chief Babalola had on Monday during a press conference, he addressed in Ado-Ekiti, among others, advised President Muhammadu Buhari to postpone the 2023 general election and set up an interim government. He said the interim government should be in place for 6 months after the expiration of President Muhammadu Buhari's tenure and should draft a new constitution that is people-oriented to replace the current 1999 constitution that is currently oppressive to Nigeria. Reacting, Abiola said why the Senate will not join issues with the senior lawyer. His recommendations are out of line and cannot be considered. Abiola said Section 9 of the 1999 Constitution as amended clearly stated that procedures for amendment as a lawyer, Afe Babalola, is supposed to know about all this. His commitment is more political than legal, and his suggestion cannot stand in line with moral reality. For instance, the pegging of age of political officers is not deemed with the provision of the law. As it stands today, even the American president that we are copying does not have provision for that in their constitution. On the job of a president is not a bricklayer job. It involves intellectual vision for the development of the country. Reacting to one of the recommendations of Babalola, that lawmakers in the country should be engaged in a short time basis and paid sitting allowance only. Abiola said the Senate, the SAN, clearly does not understand the function and responsibility of the legislators in the country, and therefore his recommendation cannot be accepted. Well, these are things happening to us right now at the moment. We are seeing that these things are happening, and Nigerians will continue to bring you up to speed. We continue to bring you up to speed as the matter unfolds and more is coming up. Well, I will keep you up to speed. The Senate has vehemently rejected Babalola's position, saying that the position is not accepted, it's not in line with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and so they cannot stand with it and does not want such and such to go on. So these are part of some of the things going on right now. The call has come that President Muhammadu Buhari should postpone the 1990 postpone the election, and the 1999 constitution should be relooked at, reworked, so that it can suit the people. Of course, we all know that the current whatever we have, okay, is all fraud. Okay, it was written by the military, which they handed over to Olusegun Obasanjo. And if anybody wants to look at anything, Olusegun Obasanjo should be the one that should be asked questions. Something was handed over to you. Did you bother to take a gaze at it? Have a look into it and understand, does this stand, does it tally with the heart and the need of the people? Is this what the people want? You are representing, standing for the people. And one of the first things you should do is look at it. Is this representing the people I am saying I'm representing? Does it stand? Does it augur well? Is this what the people will prefer? Am I representing the people correctly? Could we have done something? Not Buhari is a vehicle not moving. Okay, if Olusegun Obasanjo's vehicle was not as fast, was not meeting up to the standard of the road, but at least it was moving. Maru Musa Yar'Adua, it was moving. Okay, these are those people, they should have checked it. Goodluck Ebele Jonathan was trying and would have finished it up if he had won the election, so he said. But it was not his to decide. And at the end of the day, he left the position, and see where we are, hang and drying. Okay, nothing particularly saving us from this current thing, unless by God just show us mercy. Honestly speaking, so the call by Babalola that Buhari should postpone election, I think Buhari would have loved it very much, but apparently he's not the sole decider in some of these lines and cannot wake up and say this is what it is. He himself had to begin to understand with the people, because nobody would take that. Nobody will take that. So these are some of the things going on currently right now as we speak. Well, Nigerians have continued to react and continue to ask the question, what exactly is going on? Where are we? And how do we sort this out? We've been here in a long time now. What is going on, and what can we do differently to ensure that, there is safety and transparency, and we can really, truly move forward? Enough of all the things we've experienced for far too long. These have not moved us forward. We must move forward now. Okay, we must move forward now. So these are some of the things going on. The Senate has vehemently rejected the call, saying no, we reject it. We're not accepting this call. Okay, leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. God bless you. Have a good day. Bye for now.